ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Please repeat. अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम्
अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयुन्
अयुन्
ऋलिक्
ऋलिक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐ औच्
अयवरट्
हयवरट्
लण्
लण्
ञमङणनम्
ञामाङानम्
जभै
जभैन्
घटधश्
घटदश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खफछठथ छटतौ
खफछठथ
छटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
अपुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋतुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
तुलसानां दन्ताः
उपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ओष्ठौ
ञमङणनानां नासिका च
न्यमङणनानां
नासिका च
दयितो गोकण्ठतालु
ये दयितोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
अकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
बकारस्य
अकारस्य
दन्त
दन्त ओष्ठम्
ओष्ठम्
स्वामूलीयस्य यह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
रामो
रामो
राजमणिः
राजमणिः
सदा
विजयते
विजयते
रामं
रामं
रमेशं
रमेशं
भजे
भजे।
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय
रामाय तस्मै
तस्मै
नमः
नमः।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं
परतरं रामस्य
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर।
रामे चित्तलयः
चित्तलयः
सदा
सदा
भवतु मे
भवतु मे
भो राम
राम
मामुद्धर
मामुद्धर।
कारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः
अकारान्तः
अकारान्तः
पुल्लिङ्गः
पुल्लिङ्गः
रामशब्दः।
रामशब्दः
रामः रामो रामाः
रामः
रामः
रामौ
रामौ रामाः
रामाः
रामं रामो रामान्
रामं
रामं
रामौ
रामौ
रामान्
रामान्
रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः
रामेण रामाभ्यां
रामाभ्यां
रामैः
रामैः
रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामस्य रामयोः रामाणाम्
रामात् गुरुजी
रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामात् रामाभ्यां
रामाभ्यां
रामेभ्यः
रामेभ्यः
रामस्य रामयोः रामाणाम्
रामस्य
रामस्य
रामयोः
रामयोः
रामाणां
रामे रामयोः रामेषु
रामे
रामे
रामयोः
रामयोः रामेषु
हे राम हे रामो हे रामाः
हे
हे
राम हे
हे
रामौ
रामौ
हे
हे
रामाः।
रामाः
Now you see this Rama Shabda in the book Shabda Manjari, which I am sharing. You can see the screen. This book is called Shabda Manjari. It's got a collection of Shabdas. Do you see in the screen?
Yes, Guru.
First
Yes.
Shabda is Ajanta Pullinga Prakaranam Rama Shabda. This we have just now we chanted. Evam Deva Mukunda Shiva Ara Pravruttayaha. All these Shabdas have to practice. Now, after Rama Shabda, I've given you a sequence of reading and memorizing the Shabda. You not go by the order in the book. It will be difficult. So I have given you a sequence so you can see the connection between the Shabdas and therefore you can easily read, commit to memory. Or you can remember. I mean, if memory the word is difficult for you to memorization is find it difficult. You can at least remember. Memory means not like a child memorizing the rhymes and etc. In fact, that is how it should be done. That is how in the beginning, whoever wants to learn Sanskritam, the tradition it is said, you memorize the Shabdas. But anyway, you need to be familiar with the forms, able to remember all the Vibhakti, Vachanam, etc. So now, after Rama Shabda comes Hari Shabda. understand that. इकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः हरिशब्दः
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः
पुल्लिङ्गः
हरिशब्दः
हरिः हरि हरयः
हरिः हरि हरयः
हरयः
हरिं हरि हरीन्
हरिं हरि हरीन्
हरीन्
हरिणा हरिभ्यां हरिभिः
हरिणा हरिभ्यां हरिभिः
हरये हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः
हरये
हरिभ्यां
हरिभ्यां
हरिभ्यः
हरिभ्यः
हरेः हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः
हरेः हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः
हरेः हर्योः हरीणाम्
हरेः हर्योः हरीणां
हरो हर्योः हरिषु
हरौ
हरौ
हर्योः
हर्योः
हरिषु
हरिषु.
Now you see in the Shabda Manjari, after Rama Shabda, the next Shabda in the Shabda Manjari, Ikarantaha, Pullingaha, Hari Shabdaha. This is what we chanted now. So here, Evam Ravi Kavi Muni Vidhi Shripati. These Shabdas you have to practice. Prabhutayaha means etc. After this, the Shabda Manjari comes the Pati Shabda, which is also Ikaranta, Pullinga, but it is different from Hari Shabda. Hari is also Ikaranta, Pati is also Ikaranta. But Pati Shabda, there is a slight difference. Therefore, you need not know Pati Shabda now. Later we can see. So you don't have to consider Pati Shabda now. Next comes Ikaranta Pullinga Saki Shabda. That Shabda is the declension also is something different. So this also you need not know now. Next comes Guru Shabda. That we will chant. That is why I told you there's a sequence of Shabda which we learn. You don't have to go by the Shabdas in the Shabda Manjari. You go by the sequence I teach you. Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda. Right? Now let us chant
Yes, Guruji.
Guru Shabda. So I will send you the Shabda Manjari. And you have this in PowerPoint, you have been chanting this since long time. So you can note what all the Shabdas, the sequence also. Rama Shabda first, Hari Shabda second, Guru Shabda next. Shabda Manjari, you can mark it that in the order and you can just chant every day, practice. Okay, next one. Ukarantaha Pullingaha Guru Shabdaha.
कारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गुरुशब्दः
Guruh Guru Guravaha.
गुरुः गुरु गुरवः
Gurum Guru Guruna.
गुरुं गुरु गुरून्
Guruna Gurubhyam Gurubihi.
गुरुणा गुरुभ्यां गुरुभिः
Gurave Gurubhyam Gurubhyaha.
गुरवे गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः
Guroho Gurubhyam Gurubhyaha.
गुरोः गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः
Guroho Guruvoho Gurunam.
गुरोः गुरोः गुरूणां
Gurau Guruvoho Gurushu.
गुरौ गुरोः गुरुषु
गुरुषु
He Guru, He Guru, He Guravaha.
हे गुरो
हे
हे गुरु हे गुरवः
Now, the Guru in the Shabda Manjari, after Guru Shabda, if you see, okay, Guru Shabda it is here, Karanta, fifth Shabda in the Shabda Manjari, that is the third Shabda, which you have to know. Then under Guru Shabda, Evam Shambhu Vishnu Bhanu Sunu. You have to practice, you have to write it and you have to practice chanting Shambhu Shabda, like Guru Shabda, Vishnu, Bhanu, Sunu, etc. Okay. Then comes the Rikaranta Shabda Datra, not required now. You don't have to. You see, follow the order which is given in the PPT. After Guru Shabda comes Pala Shabda, Napumsakalinga Shabda, Pala with simple Shabda. If you know Pratama Vibhakti, that is in all the vibhaktis are same from Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, same as Rama Shabda only. Okay. So we are moving from Pullinga to Napumsakalinga now. Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Palashabdaha.
अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः फलशब्दः
Compare with Rama Shabda from Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, which is same. Palam Pale Palani.
फलं फले फलानि
Dvitiya Vibhakti also same form. Palam Pale Palani.
फलं फले फलानि
Palena Palabhyam Palaihi.
फलेन फलाभ्यां फलैः
Palaya Palabhyam Palebhyaha.
फलाय फलाभ्यां फलेभ्यः
Palat Palabhyam Palebhyaha.
फलात् फलाभ्यां फलेभ्यः
Palasya Palayogo Palana.
फलस्य फलयोः फलानां
Pale Palayogo Paleshu.
फले फलयोः फलेषु
He Pala He Pale He Palani.
हे फल हे फले हे फलानि
This is Napumsakalinga. In the Shabda Manjari, if you see, Napumsakalinga will not come immediately after Pullinga. It will come after Strilinga. So you have to go many Shabdas after. You will find Shabda Manjari, the book. After Pullinga, you will get Strilinga. Then you will get Napumsakalinga. The Napumsakalinga, once you see the Napumsakalinga Prakaranam, you see the order. Akaranta, Ikaranta, that order will be there. This is Ajanta. Ajanta means that which begins with, Anta ends with vowels. Ajanta. Ajanta Napumsakalinga Prakaranam. Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Palashabdaha. This is 24th Shabda in the Shabda Manjari. But that we are memorizing it as the 4th Shabda in the order. Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda, and then Palashabda. That is why I told you to mark the order. So, and you will see this the sequence, connection, so that you can easily commit the shabdas to memory. Evam jnana vana dhana netra pravrittayaha. Jnana shabda, vana shabda, all the shabdas to be declined like pala shabda. You can practice. Okay, next one. Up to this you said, right? Rama, Hari, Guru, Pala. 4 shabdas.
Yes, Guru.
Now I will teach you some more shabdas today. Now, after that, Sarvanama Shabda, Tat Shabda. We are going to see Tat Shabda, Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. You have to note these shabdas. The Shabda Manjari, the shabdas are located later. So this is a different sequence. In different sequence, we are learning and trying to memorizing it. Shabda Manjari, it is given in different order. Okay. So you remember this sequence. Rama, Hari, Guru, Pala, and then Sarvanama Shabda, and starting with Tat Shabda. Pullinga we will do first, and then Strilinga, and then Napumsakalinga. Now here, also this is simple Shabda. If you know Tat Shabda, a series of Shabda, what is going to come later, you can easily decline. The format is same. Understand? Takarantaha, Pullingaha, Tad Shabdaha.
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः तद् शब्दः.
Have you seen the Shabda before? No.
So once we had seen very long back.
Okay. Sahataute.
Sahataute.
That which we know very well. Sahataute. We have done. We have used many times in our exercises. Sahataute. Saharamaha. Tau Ramo. Te Ramaha. Iti. Pratama Vibhakti. Sahataute. The beginning, in fact, we know only Pratama Vibhakti. Now we are learning other Vibhaktis. Tam Tautan.
Tam Tautan.
If it is Rama Shabda, what will be the form? Ramam, Ramau, Raman, right? The same thing. Tam, tau, tan. Only thing is here, it is for Pratama Vibhakti. See, Shabda being Tat Shabda, in the Pratama Vibhakti, you have totally different form, Saha. That is only thing, different thing, Saha. And of course, Bhagavachanam Te is there. In Rama Shabda, Ramaha Ramo, Ramaha will be there. Here, Saha, Tau, Te is different. I mean, Ramaha Ramo, Ramaha, but here, Saha, Tau, Te. Vivachanam is like Rama Shabda only. Ramaha Ramo, Tau. You can see, you can compare and understand the similarity. Ramam Ramo Ramana Dvitya Vibhakti Tam Tautan. Right? Then Dvitya Vibhakti Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi. Here Tena Tabhyam Taihi. Which chant?
Tena
Tena
tapyam
tapyam
taihi.
And Chaturthi Vibhakti Ramaya will be there, but here instead of Ramaya, Tasmai will be there. So Ekavachanam of all the Vibhaktis you need to know. Other forms are similar to Rama Shabda only. Tasmai Tabhyam Te Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha. Here Tasmai, that form is slightly different. Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekavacham. All Ekavachams are slightly different. Tasmai Tabhyam Tebhyaha.
Tasmai tapyam tebhyah.
What is Panchami Rama Shabda Ekavachanam?
Ramat
Ramat.
Ramabhyam.
Here it is Tasmat. Tasmat Tabhyam Tebhyaha.
Tasmat tapyam tebhyah.
Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha, that is here Tabhyam Tebhyaha. Simple. Right? Then Shashti Bhakti. What is Rama Shabda Shashti Bhakti form for Ekavachanam?
Ramasya.
Ramasya. Here Tasya. Tasya Tayogo Tesham.
Tasya tayoho tesham.
Bhagavachanam Ramanam will be there, but here Desham. That is yeah, that is different. That you can note. And Saptami Ekavachanam Rama Shabda form is
Rame.
Here it Tasmin. Tasmin Tayogo Teshu.
Tasmin tayoho teshu.
So Saha Tam Tena Tasmai Tasma Tasya Tasmin. These forms, if you know, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam, those are simple, similar to Rama Shabda, except for certain Bhaktis only. It's different. Otherwise, it is easy. Once you know Tat Shabda, the same format you can do the following Shabdas, which we are going to see. So this if you memorize, this format if you know, then you see the next Shabda. Takarantaha Pullingaha Etad Shabdaha.
Takarantaha pullingaha
etad
shabdaha.
shabdaha.
A is a word, is a varna, the letter extra. So you add A before Tat Shabda, you get Etat Shabda's form. Pratama Vibhakti, there is a difference. Saha is there, here Yeshaha. Saha Taute, here instead of Saha, Yeshaha. Taute, Etau Yete. Because Etat Shabda, A before. The letter Yesh before the forms of Tat Shabda. Taute is there, Etau Yete. That's all. It is simple. Similarly, Tam, Tau, Tan. Two forms are there in Dvitya Vibhakti. You don't have to know the two forms. Just one form is enough. Etam, Etau, Etan. That is enough. Tam, Tau, Tan. We saw in Tat Shabda. Here, Etam, Etau, Etan. Similarly, Tritiya Vibhakti, Tena Tabhyam Taihi. Here, Etena Etabhyam Etaihi. Is it difficult? Easy, right? Same as Tat Shabda only. So let us stand the Shabda. Eshaha Etau Ete.
Eshaha etau ete.
Etam Etau Etan.
Etam etau etan.
One form is enough now. You don't have to know the other form. Etena etabhyam etaihi.
Etabhyam etaihi.
Etasmai etabhyam etebhyaha.
Etasmai
Etabhyam
etebhyaha.
etebhyaha.
Etasmat etabhyam etebhyaha.
Etasmat etabhyam etebhyaha.
Etasya etayoho. One form is enough. Etesham.
एतस्य
एतयोः
एतेषाम्
एतेषाम्
एतस्मिन् एतयोः एतेषु
एतस्मिन् एतयोः
एतेषु
in this Shabda Manjari you will find this Sarvanama Shabda at the end. You have to turn many pages and you have to see at the end. So therefore only I said we are not following the sequence given in the Shabda Manjari. If you follow the sequence, you would not be able to read any Shabda. Difficult. That is why I am giving you a particular form of a sequence. If you go by that, it will be easy for you to learn the Shabdas. If you see this Shabda Manjari, where is now you have turned many pages. Still, Sarvanama Shabda has not come. It will come only at the end. Sarvanama is pronoun. Atas Sarvanama Shabda Prakaranam. And if you see in this, 91 onwards it starts. Sarva Shabda, Sarva Shabda, Sarva, Purva, etc. Here comes Shabda number 103. But that Shabda, it is 5th Shabda for us. But here in this Shabda Manjari, it is 103rd Shabda. Takarantaha, Pullingaha, Tat Shabdaha. This is what we chanted. Okay. And after that, Etat Shabda. Etat also similar to Tat Shabda. Then after this, let us chant this Kim Shabda. If you know Tat Shabda, Kim Shabda also easy. The same format. Makarantaha, Pullingaha, Kim Shabdaha.
मकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः किं शब्दः
Tat Shabda Sahataute. Kim Shabda Kahatauke. And Dvitiya Vibhakti Tam Tautan. Here Kam Kaukan. Tritiya Tena Tabhyam Taihi. Here Kena Kabhyam Taihi. The same format, right? And Pratama, the Ekavachan, if you see, Sahat, Tam, Tena, Tasmai, Tasmat, Tasya, Tasmin. Here Kaha, Tam, Kena, Kasmai, Kasmat, Kasya, Kasmin. Instead of Takara, Kakara is that is the only difference. Otherwise, it is same. Kaha Kauke,
कः कौके
Kam Kaukan,
कं
कं
कौकान्
कौकान्
Kena Kabhyam Kaihi,
केन
केन काभ्यां कैः
Kasmai Kabhyam Kebhyaha,
कस्मै काभ्यां केभ्यः
Kasmat Kabhyam Kebhyaha,
कस्मात् काभ्यां केभ्यः
Kasya Kayogo Tesham,
कस्य कयोः केषां
Asmin Kayogo Keshu.
कस्मिन् कयोः केषु
So Tad, Etad, Kim Shabda. After that, another simple Shabda, Yad Shabda, Pullinga. Takarantaha, Pullingaha, Yad Shabdaha.
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः यद् शब्दः
Yad means which or whom. That's mean. Yaha Ramaha, Saha Mama Putraha. The one who is Rama is my son. That Yaha. In English we say which. It's not a question. That connection is that the one who is Rama is my son. That which or who. That is the Yad Shabda. So this is also like Tat Shabda only. Sahataute Yahayauyi. Tam Tautan Yam Yogan. So Tat Shabda is important. If you know that, all the Shabdas are known. Yahayauye,
यौये
Yam Yoyan,
यौयान्
Yena Yabhyam Yaihi,
येन याभ्यां यैः
Yasmai Yabhyam Yebhyaha,
यस्मै याभ्यां येभ्यः
Yasmat Yabhyam Yebhyaha,
यस्मात् याभ्यां येभ्यः
Yasya Yayogo Yesham,
यस्य ययोः येषां
Yasmin Yayogo Yeshu.
यस्मिन् ययोः येषु
येषु
So you know 4 Shabda in one stretch. Tad, Etad, Kim Shabda, Yad Shabda. Pullinga forms you know. Strilinga also simple. That Strilinga I think we will see in the next class. Okay. Understand this?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
So 8 Shabdas you know. Next comes Strilinga Shabda. Strilinga, please remind me in the next class. We will chant from Rama Shabda, Akarata Shabda, the next class. So this 8 Shabdas, you please try to remember. Now, we will continue with the topic indeclinables. This is what we have to start, right?
Yes,
Indeclinable.
Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
We have done some practice before, some Anuvada translation with the verbal form Kriya Padam. We have learned many verbal forms, Kriya Padani. Now we are going to learn indeclinable. Indeclinable means what? That which cannot be declined. Declination is Rama Shabda is can decline. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam, Ditya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam. That is called declension. Vibhakti. Declension means Vibhakti. Ramaha Ramo Ramaha Ramam Ramo Raman Vibhaktayaha. That is called declension. That which cannot be declined, or that when you decline, whose form will be same for all the vibhakti, all the vachana. That is called avyaya. Na vyeti iti avyayam. That which do not change its form. That is called avyaya. Atma is also called avyaya. Ajopi sannavyaya atma. Atma doesn't change. In Vedanta, avyaya atma we say. In grammar, avyaya is that which doesn't change. For example, cha is a cha or api. Cha is and api is also. Can you decline api shabda, ikarantaha, what linga, api shabdaha, apihi, api, apeha? No, you cannot decline. Api means also. How can you decline also? Also and if, then all these are indeclinables. You cannot decline, right? They have no gender, they have no case, they have no number. Therefore, doesn't undergo any change. If you ask Pratama Vibhakti of Api Shabda is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. If you ask what is the form, Api only. Dvivachanam, Api only. Bhagavachanam, that is also Api. And Dvitya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Api. Dvitya Vibhakti Dvivachanam, Api. Dvitya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, Api. Api, 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 Api. The form, all the 21 forms will be Api only. That is why it is called Avyaya. So, that which do not change is called Avyaya. Therefore, there is no case really speaking. Case number and all, it is not there. That is called Avyaya, indeclinables. You can chant this shloka. I will explain this. Sadrisham Trishalingeshu
Sadrisham
Sadrisham
Trishu Lingeshu
Yeshu
Sarvasu cha Vibhaktishu
Sarvasu cha
Vibhaktishu
Vibhaktishu
Vachaneshu cha Sarveshu
Vachaneshu cha Sarveshu
Yannavyeti tadavyayam.
Yannavyeti tadavyayam.
Now, we saw just now Yat Shabda. Yat, here Yanna is Yat Navyeti, Yat Shabda. This is Napumsakalinga declension. We will see in the next class. Just showing you the connection. Yat Shabda, what we saw. Yat Navyeti, that which do not change, which doesn't change. That is called Avyayam. Sadrisham Trishalingeshu. In all the three linga, Sarvasu cha Vibhaktishu, in all the Vibhakti, and in all the Vachanam, Sarveshu Vachaneshu, that which doesn't change is called Avyayam. This is the definition of Avyayam. In the form of a shloka it is given. Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. This we will learn some Avyaya and then we will do some Anuvada translation exercises. Rama is a Pratipadika which can be declined for it Vibhakti and Vachanam. Like Rama, Avyayas cannot be declined. That's why it's called indeclinables. Now you see, cha means and. Indeclinable. You cannot decline and. Atra. Atra means here. Na means no. That indeclinable, cannot be declined. Tatra, there. Iva, like. Yatra, wherever. Api, also. Kutra, where. Iti, thus. Anyatra, somewhere. Kintu, but. Sarvatra, everywhere. Yadi, if. Tarhi, that. These are some of the avyayas. You can know the meaning of this avyayas. We are going to use these avyayas in our exercise now. Yatra, yatra, Ramaha. Tatra, tatra, Sita. Wherever Rama is, there Sita is. Atra Ramaha nasti. Rama is not here. Tatra Ramaha nasti. Ramaha asti. Rama is there. Ramaha or Lakshmanaha. Lakshmanaha Ramaha iva. Lakshmana is like Rama. All these are some sentences. Okay. So we are going to form sentences using these avyayas. Now, identify the avyayas and also mark the words for its vibhaktis and purushas. I have done here. You can read. Akankshaji, you can read this sentence.
Yes, Guruji. Ramaha atra pathati.
Asmin vakye kriyapadam asti va?
Sir.
Is there kriyapadam in this vakyam? Yes.
Yes.
Kim
Pathati.
kriyapadam? Patati kriyapadam. Patati iti kriyapadasya artaha kim? What is the meaning of the word kriyapadam patati?
Pathati means reads.
Reads. Kaha patati?
Ramaha pathati.
Patati padasya kim kaha purushaha kim vachanam? You understand this Sanskritam, right? They follow. Simple one.
Yes, Guruji. Pathati pullingaha
Not
shabdaha.
Patati is not. How can kriyapadam?
Sorry.
Decline.
Ramaha.
No. Kriyapadam cannot have gender. Whether
Yes.
it's Ramaha patati or Sita patati, right?
Yes.
You can't decline. It's not a shabda. It is a kriyapadam. My
Yes.
question was, what purusha? What purusha means not gender.
Prathama purusha.
It is first person, third person, and
Yes.
that person.
Ekavachanam.
Here it is pratama purusha.
Yes.
Kaha purushaha pratama purushaha. Kim vachanam?
Ekavachanam.
Kimartam ekavachanam? Ekaha eva Ramaha. Rama is only one. Ekaha eva Ramaha asti. Ramaha patati. Kaha patati? Ramaha patati. Patati kriyapadasya karta kaha?
Ramaha.
Rama is the karta. He is the doer of the patana kriya. Therefore, Rama will begin pratama vibhakti. The one who is a doer or the subject, the agent of the kriya is called karta. And the padam is called kartrupadam. Ramaha is kartrupadam. So Ramaha patati. Right? Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
Ramaha patati. If you want to do another vachanam, that is possible. Ramav,
Pathataha.
Ramaha,
Pathanti.
Agam,
Pathami.
Avam,
Pathavaha.
Ayam.
Pathamaha.
Yes. Now, Ramaha patati. Ramaha, now I will ask question. Ramaha kutra patati.
Ramaha atra pathati.
Where does Rama read? Rama reads here. Kutra, where? Atra, here. How do you decline atra? What linga? What vachanam? What vibhakti atra?
It is avyaya.
It
Guruji cannot be declined.
Not be declined. So therefore, I have marked here. A means avyaya. Patati is pratama purusha. It is in English. It is third person. Ekavachanam. This is how you have to mark the vibhakti and the vachanam. And Rama is being the karta. Therefore, it is pratama vibhakti. The numerator denotes the vibhakti, and denominator denotes the vachanam. The sentence is syntactically valid only when the vachanam of the karta and the vachanam of the kriya matches. If you say Ramaha patataha, is it correct?
No.
No, because patataha is dvivachanam. So the kriya padam, the vachanam of the kriya padam and kriya Kriyapadam, what it denotes. This is a active voice sentence. Kartari Prayoga. In the Kartari Prayoga, the agent is what denoted by the Kriyapadam. So therefore, the Vachanam of the Kriyapadam and the Vachanam of the agent should match for a sentence to be syntactically valid. Follow?
Yes, yes, Guruji.
So Ramaha Atra Patati. This is how you have to examine a sentence. If you read a sentence, you have to examine the sentence. What is the Kriyapadam? First, you have to find out the Kriyapadam. Then you see the Kriyapadam and find out first. Now, since we are doing only by default active voice, we can talk about active voice. Passive voice and impersonal passive voice also is there in Sanskritam. That we will see later. Active voice. If the active voice is who is a Karta? Then who is what is the Karma? What is the Karanam? What is the Sampradhanam? All those one by one we will see. So you have to find out in a sentence and mark the Vibhakti and the Vachanam. Then mark the Abhyaya also. And Shashti Vibhakti, we discussed recently on the Shashti Vibhakti. Shashti Vibhakti also, that is the Shashti Vibhakti, it represents the Sambandha, the relationship. That is not connected to the Kriya Padam directly, it will be connected to the other Padams in the sentence. Dasharathasya Putraha Ramaha Patati, Patra Patati. So Dasharatha and Patati, there is no connection. Who is reading? Not Dasharatha is not reading. Son of Dasharatha, that is Rama is only reading. So between Dasharatha and the Rama only there is connection. There's no connection with the Patana Kriya. Right? Therefore, only when you ask question to get the answer, you will ask Kasya Putraha. Kasya Putraha only you will ask. Dasharatha Putraha. Kaha Patati. Then you will get the answer Ramaha Patati. Because Patana Kriya done by Rama. So, Shashti, therefore, you have to ask question to the Kriya Padam and you will get the Karta, the subject, object, all these things you will get. Shashti Vibhakti you will not get first because Shashti Vibhakti has no connection with the Karta, in the Kriya Padam. It has connection with the other words in the sentence. So, for that is why we ask the question in a different way. Kasya Putraha, so like that. That Shashti Vibhakti we saw recently. So, yeah, you can remember that. Anyway, we'll talk about more on this as we learn. But this is how you have to analyze the sentence. Continue. Next sentence also you can read.
Yes. Ishwaraha sarvatra asti.
Kriya Padam.
Asti.
What Purusha, what Vachanam?
Prathama Purushaha Ekavachanam.
Kaha asti.
Ishwaraha asti.
Ishwaraha asti. So Ishwara is the subject, is a Karta. Therefore, Ishwaraha. Ka vibhakti kim vachanam?
Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam. Kutra asti Ishwaraha?
Ishwaraha sarvatra asti.
Sarvatra asti. The meaning of the word sarvatra is everywhere, indeclinable. So atra sarvatra denotes the location, locus. Atra is here. Sarvatra is everywhere. Tatra is there. Kutra means where. All this the abhyaya denotes the location, the place. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Then next person, Anupama. Next sentence.
Ramaha api na gayati. Kriyapadam gayati. Kartripadam Ramaha. Gayati Kriyapadam Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Ramaha Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Gayati. Kaha gayati, Ramaha gayati. Like you ask question and then you yourself answer. Okay. Yeah.
Kaha gayati. Ramaha na gayati.
Very important. Here. See, gayati kriyapadam. But na gayati it is. So, it doesn't sing. So, that negative na is in a sentence, if you see the negative na, even in the Vedanta class and all, we have seen Bhashyam when you read. Na always, suppose if it is there, the negative particle, that you connect to the kriyapadam. Because it dismisses the action, right? The sentence, na can be anywhere. Na Ramaha api gayati. It can be there. Na at the beginning. Even though at the beginning na can be there, you have to bring the na closer to the Kriyapadam, place it before Kriyapadam, Na gayati. It is not gayati, na gayati. Doesn't sing. Right?
Hmm.
Please note this. Yes.
So we ask like Ramaha api gayati va? Question.
Yes.
Like that.
Ramaha api gayati va. Rama also. Does Rama also sing? Na. Rama.
Na Ramaha
Ramaha
api na gayati.
na gayati.
Or Ramaha kim karoti?
Ramaha na gayati.
Na gayati.
The negative only is there. Api and na both are avyaya.
Avyaya.
Yes. Continue.
Saha kutra gacchati? Kriyapadam gacchati. Pradama purusha ekavajanam. Kartrupadam saha prathama vibhakti ekavajanam. Avyaya kutra?
Saha kutra
Saha
yeah.
saha tatra gacchati.
Saha tatra gacchati. Goes there. Or saha vidyalayam gacchati. Saha apanam gacchati. So where does he go? Saha kutra gacchati. Right? Okay. Next one. Yajna Priyaji.
Yes, ji. Ramanah Ramah iva asti.
Kriyapadam.
Ramanah Ramah
What is the Kriyapadam? First you have to tell the Kriyapadam.
asti ji.
Asti Kriyapadam. Yes. Kaha asti.
Kaha.
Huh?
Ramanah Ramah.
Kaha asti. Only one answer you can give.
Ramah.
Ramaha asti.
Ah.
Ramana is the main person here.
Oh.
Ramanaha asti. How Ramana appears. Ramaha iva asti. So Ramanaha, Ramaha, not Ramaha asti.
Ramanah.
Ramanaha asti and Ramanaha, Ramaha iva asti. Ramana is like the Rama.
Rama.
Here Rama and Ramana, they are in the same vibhakti. When they are the same vibhakti, it is not one is the adjective, other one is a substantive. Yes, it is a complement, subjective complement in English we say. Ramana is like a Rama. Okay. If you put Ramaha, Ramanaha iva, the meaning will change. Rama is like Ramana. So that here if you flip the word, the meaning may change.
Okay, ji.
So when you read a sentence, in this sentence, it says, you have to note here. Ramanaha is what he is talked about in the sentence. How does he look? He looks like Rama, appears like Rama. So Ramaha iva.
Iva is avyaya.
Iva is avyaya. Yes. Continue.
Ramah Ramanah cha mama bratrau saha.
Kriyapadam.
Saha.
What is the meaning of staha?
Saha வந்து
All these are basics. You have to answer immediately. Don't think too much, huh? Yeah, homework பண்ணிருக்கோம்.
மறந்து போகுது டக்குன்னு.
Have to practice பண்ணணும். We didn't have class for many days. We had some break. You do study Sanskritam in the break? பண்ணல இல்லையா? Very good.
சொல்லிடுறேன்.
If you have break, please keep in touch with Sanskritam. Whatever you have learned, the time what you have spent in 60 hours, more than 60 hours you have spent, will go waste. You have to keep in touch with what you have learned so far. Asti staha santi. Staha is are. Asti is staha is are. Dvivachanam. Santi is Bhagavachanam. That is also are only in English. A-R-E. Now, you tell me, you have to ask question to get the answer. Rama and Ramana. How do you ask? Ask question to get the answer Rama and Ramana. Simple. If it is Rama, how do you ask question?
Saha.
Kaha asti. Now two people are there. Yes. Ask. Complete sentence.
Kau bratrau.
Not cow. Cows taha first.
कौस्तः
कः अस्ति, that's now we chanted the shabda. कः कौके, कः अस्ति, कौस्तः, के सन्ति, right?
कौस्तः is
कौस्तः, रामः, रमणः च स्तः. Rama and Ramana are, right? Who are they?
भ्रातरौ
Rama and Ramana are brothers. Bhratara, what vibhakti, what vachanam?
द्विवचनम्
Okay, what vibhakti?
प्रथमविभक्ति
Prathama vibhakti. Rama and Ramana are brothers. What is the shabda?
अकारान्तः
Oh, really? Akaranta. Ah,
पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः
Akaranta shabda. It is pullinga, fine. Is it Akaranta?
जी रामादने
Rama. Then what is the shabda? Tell me the shabda. If it is Akaranta, what is the shabda?
राम राम रामौ रामाः
I'm not, oh, that is fine. I'm asking the shabda for Bhratarau. You said Akaranta. You tell me the shabda then.
सारी भ्रातरौ
Huh?
भ्रातरौ इल्लजि
What is the shabda of Bhratarau?
भ्रातरः भ्रातरौ भ्रातराः
Bhrataraha, Bhrataro, Bhrataraha. Really? Vikaranta, we have learnt Pratama Vibhakti. I think you have forgotten all these things. Anybody, what is the Shabda?
Ratra Shabda.
Ratra Shabda.
Ratra Shabda. Rikarantaha. We have learned. Pitra, Datra, Matra, Bratra, all those things we have seen very in the beginning. The beginning I taught all these Shabda, Pratama Vibhakti. Rikaranta Shabda. Familial noun base. Remember that familiar relation, agent noun base. Ratra is brother. Rikarantaha, Pullingaha, Ratra Shabdaha, not Akaranta. First it is.
Rama sorry.
Only Rama is there in the world. There is no other Shabda.
Ramanaha.
No. Ikaranta is there, Ukaranta is there. So many things are there. You have to find out what it is. Don't hold on to only Rama Shabda. Akaranta, only Akaranta is there. There is no other Anta. Ikaranta is there, Ukaranta is there, Ikaranta. Bhratara is Rikaranta Shabda. Rikarantaha, Pullingaha, Bhratra Shabdaha. Bhrata, Bhratarau, Bhrataraha. Declension will be Bhrata, Bhratarau. That Bhratarau only it is there. It is Dvivachanam. You have to work. Rama and Ramana are brothers. Whose brothers are they?
Mama.
Mama, what vibhakti?
Mama Shashti Vibhakti.
Shashti vibhakti. What is the Shabda? Anybody, what is Shabda?
Aham Shabda.
No, Aham. Aham is Pratama vibhakti. Asmat Shabda.
Asmat.
Akarantaha, Asmat Shabdaha, Trishalingeshu Samana Rupaha. You will see Asmat Shabda, very important Shabda that also you have to memorize. It's important Shabda. So Mama is my brothers. They are my brothers. Okay, now we are going to do some translation. Akanksha, translate the following into English. Please read.
Krishnaha atra tishtati.
Please
Krishna.
see the Kriya Padam, ask question, get the Katra Padam, similarly ask question, get the Abhayam also as the answer.
Tishtati is Kriya Padam. Kaha tishtati. Krishnaha tishtati. Krishnaha kutra tishtati. Krishnaha atra tishtati.
Very good. This is how to be done. Yeah, please continue.
Vishnuhu tatra gayati. Gayati Kriya Padam. Kaha gayati. Vishnuhu gayati. Vishnuhu kutra gayati. Vishnuhu tatra gayati.
Tatra means there.
There.
Translation is?
Vishnu sings there.
Yes, continue.
Balaha kutra pathati. Pathati Kriya Padam. Kaha pathati. Balaha pathati. Balaha kutra pathati. Translation: where does the boy sing? Where does the boy read?
Yes.
Balika api krandati. Krandati Kriya Padam. it means cries. Kaha krandati
No.
balika.
Not kaha.
Oh, plays.
No, not kaha.
Ka krandati.
Cry is
Balika.
correct only, not place. Krandati is correct. Cry only.
Cry.
Play only is kridati. Okay.
Kridati. Ka krandati, balika krandati.
Balika, balika also. That's okay.
Balika also.
Next person, Anupama, number 5.
रमेश रमेशः अन्यत्र जीवति क्रियापदं जीवति कः जीवति रमेशः जीवति रमेशः कुत्र जीवति रमेशः अन्यत्र जीवति रमेश is living somewhere else
Okay.
राधा तत्र गच्छति क्रियापदं गच्छति का गच्छति राधा गच्छति राधा कुत्र गच्छति राधा तत्र गच्छति राधा goes there.
Yes.
वायुः सर्वत्र अस्ति क्रियापदम् अस्ति कः सर्वत्र अस्ति वायुः सर्वत्र अस्ति.
Yes. Continue.
मोहनः यत्र तत्र धावति क्रियापदं धावति कः यत्र तत्र धावति और कः धावति मोहनः धावति मोहनः कुत्र धावति मोहनः यत्र तत्र धावति
Yatra
मोहन
tatra.
here and there.
Here and there. He jumps here and there. Okay, you can play. Number 9.
तत्र मीरा न पठति किन्तु गायति का गायति
Ka gayati. Answer.
मीरा न गायति sorry मीरा गायति कुत्र गायति तत्र मीरा गायति.
Good. Okay. Tatra Meera patati kim?
न पठति.
Tatra Meera na patati. Kim karoti Meera tatra?
मीरा तत्र गायति.
Tatra kintu gayati. So na tatra kintu. What is the meaning of kintu?
Kintu but.
But.
But correct.
Meera doesn't sing there. But sorry, Meera doesn't read there.
But sings.
Sings. Okay, continue.
सूर्यः कुत्र खादति.
Surya is not sun, it's the name of the person. Surya.
सः खादति. सूर्यः खादति.
Surya putra kadati. Where does Surya eat? Where does he eat? Where does Surya eat? Okay, next one. Continue.
रमा कुत्र नमति. का नमति. रमा नमति. कुत्र नमति. रमा
Kutra namati. Where and where she does namaskara.
Where and where is she?
Probably she is doing namaskara to many places. So where and how she does namaskara. Salutes. That's the meaning. Okay, continue.
कोकिला अत्र तत्र वा वसति. का वसति. कोकिला वसति. कुत्र वसति. कोकिला अत्र तत्र वा वसति. Here and there.
Not here. She lives here or there.
Here or there. Right.
Va is or. Atra here, tatra there. She lives here or there. Okay. Next person. Akanksha.
Yes, good. Veena api gayati. Ka gayati. Veena gayati. Veena also sings. Yatra priya gacchati. Tatra janaki api gacchati.
So here we can see 2 kriya padams are there. And correspondingly 2 subject, the agent also is there. So you have to connect that properly. Yes.
So kriyapadam both gacchati. Ke gacchati. Priya cha janaki gachat. Sorry. Ke gachatah. Priya cha janaki gachatah.
Yes. That's good.
Kutra
Ka gacchati, Priya gacchati. Similarly, Ka gacchati, Janaki gacchati. Both are there. Okay, you said both are together. Fine, that's good. Yes.
Kutra gachatah yatra Priya gacchati tatra Janaki api gacchati.
Yes. So this is one sentence. Priya gacchati is one sentence. Janaki api gacchati is another sentence. Now both are connected by yatra tatra. Yatra Priya gacchati, tatra Janaki api gacchati. Where Priya goes, there Janaki also goes. Right? Yes. Continue.
Tatra vanarah khadati yatra phalam asti.
Yes. Here two Kriyapadam and two different subjects. Yes. True.
Yes. Kriyapadam khadati cha asti. Kah khadati vanarah khadati. Kah asti
Kim asti?
phalam. Kim asti phalam asti. Vanarah kutra khadati yatra phalam asti tatra vanarah khadati.
Very good. Yes. Next one.
Yatra ramah tatra marutihi. Kriyapadam asti.
Yes.
Kah asti?
Ramaha asti.
So
Maruti.
here again, Guruji, Kriyapadam will be two.
Yeah. Kriyapadam, two subject are there, therefore two Kriyapadam.
Yeah, okay.
So Kaustaha you can ask.
Kaustaha. Ramah cha marutihi staha.
Yes.
Ramah kutra asti?
Marutihi kutra asti. Because Maruti is the
Maruti.
focus here.
Yes. So Marutihi kutra asti? Yatra Ramah asti, tatra Marutihi asti.
Yes. Next person. Anupamaji.
यत्र यत्र कृषकः खनति तत्र तत्र जलं न अस्ति क्रियापदम् अस्ति च खनति कः खनति कृषकः खनति कृषकः कुत्र खनति
Not Krishaha Kanati.
खनति
Kutra Jalam Nasti.
यत्र यत्र कृषकः खनति तत्र तत्र जलं नास्ति
Nasti. Na asti, nasti.
नास्ति
Can do join this. That's called Sandhi. And another the important topic which we'll be seeing soon. Sandhi topic. Very important topic, Sandhi. Na plus asti, nasti. Okay. First you have to know all the basic things, then we will get into the topic called Sandhi. Yes, please continue.
तत्र पिता खादति यत्र माता पचति क्रियापदं पचति च खादति कुत्र पिता खादति यत्र माता पचति तत्र पिता खादति
Yes. The sentence can be put anywhere. Anyway, like yatra mata pachati tatra pita kadati you can write, or tatra pita kadati yatra mata. Anyway you can write your choice. But kadati refers to pita. Therefore, the subject and the kriyapadam should go together. Similarly, mata pachati. Pachati, that kriya is performed by mata. Therefore, they should be together. Even though in Sanskritam the words can be anywhere, it will give the meaning. But here, if you change the position of the kriyapadam, the meaning will change. So you cannot do that. So the kriyapadam and the subject have to be together. Mata pachati, pita kadati. Kadana kriya done by father, pachana kriya done by mother. Right? Okay. Continue. Next one.
यत्र यत्र गुरुः नमति तत्र तत्र शिष्यः अपि नमति क्रियापदं नमति
Yes.
शिष्यः कुत्र कुत्र नमति यत्र यत्र गुरुः नमति तत्र तत्र शिष्यः अपि नमति
Yes. Continue.
वायुः अत्र नास्ति किन्तु अग्निः अस्ति क्रियापदम् अस्ति च नास्ति कः वायुः अस्ति
Ayuhu atra nasti kintu agni eva asti. Here there is no air, only fire, only hot.
फायर अस्ति
Take Priyaji. Next one.
Yatra yatra Moji chala. यत्र यत्र वायुः तत्र तत्र न अग्नि
What does it mean? Meaning?
where there is a
Hmm.
tatra tatra na agni, there is no fire.
There is no fire. Yatra yatra vayuhu asti, tatra tatra agnihi nasti. Kriyapadam you have to supply. If it is not there, adhyaharaha kartavyaha. You have to supply.
Okay.
Vayuhu asti, agnihi nasti. That is what it is. But there is a connection given. What is the connection? Yatra yatra vayuhu, tatra tatra na agnihi. Yes, continue.
Guruji, sorry to interrupt, but
Yeah.
can I ask something? In this sentence, instead of saying yatra yatra vayuhu asti, can we together say the kriya padam is thaha? Can
And you say that, how would you say it?
so yatra yatra vayuhu tatra tatra na agnihi sthaha. Is
No,
that
no, you cannot say like that.
no?
Sthaha, because vayuhu asti, agni asti, two different things are there. And he is talking about two different things.
Okay.
And therefore, sthaha you cannot use. If the common kriya is done by the two people, then you can use Bhagavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. But here it is not like that. So you cannot use.
Thank you.
Vayuhu asti, agni asti separately only. That is because that is what the meaning is. If vayu and something else is also is there, then sthaha you can say.
Okay.
Suppose vayuhu is there, varunaha, yatra yatra vayuhu varuna, vayuscha, vayuhu varunaha cha sthaha, that you can say. Tatra tatra na agnihi. That is okay. But between vayu and agni, two different things, that you cannot say sthaha.
Okay. Thank you.
Continue. Yajna Prayaj.
ஜி இது எப்படி கொஸ்டின் போடுறது?
First you read and then I will ask. I'll tell you.
यत्र यत्र वायुः तत्र तत्र न अग्निः.
Oh, this question. Agnihi putra nasti. Simple.
Oh.
Where agni will not be, where agni is not there. Yatra yatra vayuhu asti, tatra tatra na agnihi.
Questions. We have to put two questions.
Not two questions, only one question. Putra agnihi nasti.
In one question, yeah, okay. Yatra yatra vayu tatra tatra na agnihi.
See, yatra is the beginning, and
Okay.
the conclusion is tatra. So that should be put as a question. Putra agnihi nasti.
Oh,
Yatra
the
yatra vayuhu, tatra tatra agnihi nasti. Right? Where there is wind, there is no fire. Where is no fire? Where there is wind. Right?
Okay.
It should be put like that. Putra agnihi nasti. Yes. Continue. Next one.
यदि अध्यापकः पृच्छति तर्हि छात्रा वदति. वदति is क्रियापदम. पृच्छति is also क्रियापदम.
Yes. Who is the karta of pritchati? Who is the karta of vadati?
अध्यापकः पृच्छति.
Adhyapaka is the karta for pritchana kriya, and for vadana kriya, who is the karta?
छात्रा.
Chatra meaning?
Student. Female student.
Yes, that's important. Okay. Kaha pritchati?
अध्यापकः पृच्छति.
Ka vadati?
छात्रा वदति.
Now, which is, there's a connection. One action followed by another action is there. If, by connected by if, then. If the teacher asks, then the student answers. Yadi adhyapakah pruchati tarhi chatra vadati. Right? So yadi tarhi. Next one, continue.
यदि भवतः पुत्रः तत्र गच्छति तर्हि मम पुत्री अपि तत्र गच्छति.
So after yadi one sentence is there, even in the previous sentence